Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a folder on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, you may have noticed that you have been migrated to the latest version of the application itself. Let's now find a way to create a folder where we can then start to file all the emails that we no longer need to work on, as they have already been worked on. So let's go to the left hand side navigation menu. Where we have inbox, we will look to create a folder. So if I right click on inbox, create a new folder, this will now allow us to then categorize all our emails that we need to. So let's just say Microsoft. Enter. That has now created a folder. So let's go back into inbox. Let's now move an email by drag and dropping onto Microsoft. We can do many emails at the same time by clicking on an email and then holding down on command. Now we have 4 emails that we can drag and drop within that Microsoft folder. Let's go into that folder. If we want to move them all back, we would highlight all emails at the same time and then move them back to the inbox. If we go back to the inbox, you can now see that those emails that we first moved into the folder have now reverted back to where they are. So that's fine. Let's go to Microsoft. As we can now see, the folder is empty. We can organize messages by moving them to a folder from any conversation. So that's fine. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.